Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I advise one of my investors on how to kind of overcome an obstacle we had on her bridging loan. If you want to know how to overcome obstacles in bridging loan, this video is for you. Let's get to it. How are we getting on?
Oh no, Rahim, I actually sent you what I'm not supposed to send you via WhatsApp, but I got an email from,
Yeah.
and she said because I've got a secure debt that they can only give me less than what I need, because it's actually 124 that I need. But they said they were going to give me 105. And which means that I have to go and look for that 15,000 already. So I don't even have that money because I'm actually looking for the 24,000 I have to pay to them on the 17th or 16th.
Okay.
So I was thinking, but how does it work? Because she's saying because I have other debts, maybe my credit card. And so she said that's why they can't give me up to that.
Okay.
She said I should see if my accountant can do something, but I don't know if that's feasible. But I just said to talk to you because you might be used to this sort of things.
Yeah, so let me explain to you what they've done here, right? So you got a concept of it. So basically what they've done is to get you to pay the interest in advance.
Okay.
Right? That £15,000 is our 12-month interest that we meant to pay them.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay? So what they're going to do basically, once you've taken the loan, we're not paying any interest.
Okay.
Okay? And at whatever point we exit the loan, the remaining balance will be refunded back to us.
Okay.
Okay? So that's how they've structured the loan. Okay? So it's kind of a disadvantage as well as an advantage. Right? The disadvantage is we need to find £15,000 now to get it going.
Yeah.
And the advantage is we don't have to pay any interest every month. That will be it for the loan. Okay? So the reason why they do that is because if they look that you're maybe a bit, leverage,
Sure.
they will try to protect themselves on that basis, which is what they have. And then obviously that's the reason why they're doing that. They do that normally to most people anyways. Now I think that's their going thing. It's not just you. I think they've started doing this now. But the clever investors will do it and make sure their property is done very quickly, so that they don't use all that £15,000.
Okay. So yeah, that makes sense, right? So 106,000. So that means on the day I have to look, on the day that we complete, I have to look for that 15,000, isn't it?
Correct. You have to look for that 15,000. So now what we need to do now basically is how to raise that 15,000.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what are the avenues do we have?
Oh God, Rahim. Oh God, because I have actually tried to remortgage, but the problem is the remortgage, the surveyor, they only just got an appointment on the 8th of July. So which means that obviously that could take another 4 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll take about that. Yes.
You know, yeah. So that's why.
So basically we've only got someone to lend us the money for a very short period of time, basically.
Exactly.
Okay.
Rahim.
So what we could do then here, this is where we're going to maybe hit family and friends. Say, look, I'm about to remortgage my property. I'm in the process of doing it. See how we can raise it from there. That's one way of doing it. Temporarily. And alternatively, could be probably getting a loan from the bank to make that difference.
Yeah.
Okay. And if we know we have enough in our credit cards and we've got money,
which I don't.
you don't.
I don't.
So you're hoping the remortgage would be the thing also you're gonna use to renovate the property, aren't you?
Exactly, yeah.
Right, I see where you're coming from. So basically these are the avenues we can look into. I think the option we have maybe is a bank loan, a short bank loan. But you're not gonna tell them you only need it for 15 or 14 days or 4 weeks. Right?
Okay, could you say that?
You don't want to tell them you need the money for just 4 or 5 weeks.
Yeah, so you have to take it like you're taking like a proper one.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, but the only thing is that because now I think because I've exhausted my credit, maybe I don't want to even. It means that I had a good credit like 2 months ago. It looks like maybe my credit is like I got so much tied in. That's why they're reluctant
No, it's not that. I think they're just doing that in a normal way. Just go and try your luck. The what I tell the investors basically, reduce your expenses,
Yeah.
right? When they're asking you about your expenses,
Yeah.
don't go overestimating because the mistake people make, right? The lower your expenses, the more chances you got to get that money.
Okay,
You know,
Rahim.
especially if you've got higher income.
Okay, Rahim. Okay, I'll go and do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
go do that, and then obviously explore friends and families as well.
Okay, Rahim. Thank you so much, Rahim.
All right, let me know how it goes.
Okay.
Cheers.
All right, I'll
Ta-ra.
let you know. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
So basically, when we are in the process of Remo buying a property, the investor was going to get 75% from the lenders, but obviously the lenders turned around and said, oh, we need to get our interest up front. So obviously they've worked her interest on there, and then that means she's getting lower borrowing from them because they're taking the interest in advance. So in essence, they're getting paid before they actually lend the money. But however, as investors, sometimes this thing happened. When it happened, what you do is to get what you can get, find the difference, and then obviously get the deal done, get the renovation done quickly, so you don't use all that £15,000. At the point of remortgage, they will calculate that amount and refund the differences to you. That's how you can overcome getting loans like this. I can't remember the name of the loan, but there's a name for it. But hey, maybe you understand the concept, and I hope this video has been helpful as well. So I look forward to sharing the next one.